Right, so it's pretty much got everything on it. Got the panniers, proper rack, pannier rack. Got the tent, the sleeping bag, mattress, inflatable mattress in there. Put stuff in this as well. Got the front bag, pockets. This is for drinks to keep them warm or cold. Frame bag, top tube bag for my battery, which powers this. I've also got my solar panels as well. Here's the solar panels. Yeah. This charges up and you can keep your devices running. Sleeping bag, waterproof panniers. Obviously bottles will go on there as well. This side, mattress, camping stove and sort of cooking equipment. Okay. Right.